time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.
What it should be. It's Spiffy, and I'm here today with some last minute DIY gifts or just DIY Christmas decor. So let's get into it. We're gonna turn this one into a wooden tic-tac-toe playset. Next item is this little adorable Christmas in the bottle. That's what I like to call it. Now another really simple one is a mug full of gifts. Can't go wrong with a mug full of gifts. They even sell these. These cute little spatulas that were at the Dollar Tree, 2 for $1, or $1.25 I should say now. With peppermint candies in there and some Butterfingers just because I had Butterfingers. And I already had the hot chocolate. And then just for decoration, I added this greenery. You just plop a little bowl in there and you have another gift. I was shocked to see this at the Dollar Tree because I've always seen it at Michael's, which is this little box. Definitely stain this because I believe once you add a stain to it, it looks a lot more expensive. Little rub on stickers or like tattoos for items. This DIY is kid theme. It's an ornament. Seen this blank at the Dollar Tree. I knew that I could do something with it, so I went from this, and obviously I had to stain it. This little blank nightlight that they had at the Dollar Tree. And of course, I'm going to use my clear Christmas sticker. Now the next one, oh my gosh. remote holder. This yes, this thing. This one's my mother's, and it's picture frames around each side, and then you obviously put pictures in there, and then I have flowers on top. Now, instead of having this as a display for flowers, I'm thinking of having it as a display near your couch for your remotes, and can have your pictures in. This next piece I'm really excited to work on because it reminds me of like a gingerbread house and like a mini Christmas theme setup, mini caricatures. I don't know the theme of it. I don't know the name of it. And that is going to be it for this video. I hope you found at least one thing that you enjoyed, or maybe even want to try our DIY last minute gift, or also home decor. That is it, and that is all. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you visit the like button, the feedback box is down below, and most importantly, visit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And with all that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.